Today I'm going to talking about the VEIKK A50 pen tablet. This is the first time I'm going to using it. I'm going to show you one by one. Now I'm going to show you what in here. Open it just simply like this, and then I'm going to there's another package. It is very good packaging, I think. And then go off like this, and then going to have like this. This is the main component of. This is the main component we're looking at. Okay. Now take a look what in here. The other component. It is actually battery-free pen. You can take a look. There is 2 buttons here, and it is 8192 pressure sensitivity. But there is a problem. Why this case for this pen? Where is the other thing? Okay. Through this in, and what's in other? So this is the cable to connect with your computer. This is the nib, some of the nibs and nib remover. There's a few pages you can read about it. And then this is a gloves, hand gloves. It can protect your tablet to any harmful thing or scratch. This is good. Thank you for choosing VEIKK. Please download VEIKK driver and manual from our official website www.veikk.com. This is my first product review video, so I'm nervous. And I never record like this. The space, and I'm recording on my mobile. I don't have a great camera, so take a look what in here. So the pen battery free, pressure sensitivity is 8192 levels, interface type C, this cable, the resolution 5080, the key, there is a key, some of the 8 expresses key, and a touchpad. So this is the detail about this product. So I'm going to connect and showing this everything. Okay, it's great. There is a pad. So there is a little touchpad. You can increase the brush size and zoom out and in with this pad. I'll show you. And there is 8 key button for different working. I don't know, but I'll show you. Now connect with the computer. There is the gloves. You can see here. I can put in my hand my computer. There is a button here. The button is for this touchpad. Okay, it's connected. So I'm going to show you this product. Gloves like this. This is VEIKK. But there's my report about VEIKK. If you listen to me, VEIKK, why this is case? Okay, I'm happy. But VEIKK, I'm connected with this. It's looking like that. And then go on. So this is very good product. So there is you can see my screen and the product you have to looking about. So I'm going to just simply like this. This is the pressure, this is the less pressure, and this here the more pressure I'm creating. So I'm going drawing the line. You can see here this is the working like this. I'm going to another experience about the fresco. I'm going to show you how it's worked. This time we're going to custom size over there. So just click there. I'm going to pencil, and then this is the brush size. There you can increase the brush size. You can see the preview and decrease the brush size. And let's check the whatever. So this is the pencil, the overall you can see. And oh, nice. I'm going to sign over there my name. This is my name, Ikbal. VEIKK A50 Tablet. It is, you write down with this pen. It is good. Another artistic, just my friend Arif did before. Just I'm showing you. This is the, I'm going to just zoom in, and you can see the artistic. That is not my art. That is did my friend. His name is Arif, and he's his first time using this pen like me, and he's an artist like this, and he did this one with this graphics better with this pen tablet. So I'm going to show you some of the features about the key VEIKK. I'm download this big tablet from internet, and you can see here is the lot of this the pen. You can says that there is the input output, the about pen. There is that you can choose the sound of button about this this one. This is the button one, and this is the button too. So there is the right click and the pen and eraser, and there is you can the register default this with this button, and then there is the model chosen. I'm just download the A50 sorry, A50. So take a look, and there is the another option. There is the mapping. The mapping. These are the 10 and 6 inches with this all all over my screen here. You can just this is the beginning and end point. The working area is 10 and 6 inches, and there is the some of the mode: mouses, pen, on, alternative, the off, on, the screen mapping. You can see here the screen, whatever this is the full screen about this, not the other area. These are the key about if you're going to function, and this is the F1 key. If you like the F1 key, it is just F5. This is the I key, eyedropper key. If you are going to like this, and it is choose an eyedropper. You can choose the color of anywhere. Okay, now take a look. The VEIKK again. The function over there. There is the space key and this key 3 button. The key 3 over there. I'm going to show you. This is the key 3 button. If you are looking here, and this is the B button. It's something like the or this is the you can see over if you go to the move tool, it is shortcut P. If you are just press this button, it's you're going to choose the V option from move tool, and this is the C. The right in there, you can see here CF5, and the key, the control plus V like paste, and this is the control plus C copy, like this button. This button is copy, and this button is paste. It is key 6, and this is the control G. You can undo with this button. And this is the button control. This is the just you can press this. If I just somewhere it is wrongly added, just click this, it is undo. These are the button. I'm going to again show you the VEIKK tablet, and last one just S, control S. I'm going to just minimize this one. I'm going to show you this one. This is when I'm going to press the button and showing my the save option. If you are saving to cloud documents and as a save on your computer. So these are the function key of VEIKK tablet. I'm sorry, I'm going to the VEIKK tablet. And this was the button you can see here, and there's the task. You can see here this is the touchpad, the over there. So if you drag this over it like off, the page is zoom in and down. Just page decrease. Just page. If you press just touch up, this page is zoom in and zoom out. For just touch this pad just down like this and like this. And if you just drag this over right, this is brush. It is for brush increase and decreasing. I'll show you. Just I'm going to, this is my brush. I'm going to, if I drag this over like this, this is, you can see the Now I'm going to talking about price.
The price is about where I purchased from the VEIKK A50 10 inches and 800 8195 levels, the digital graphics. Now this one I purchased from, it's looking like now 5,000, but I purchase always. It's kind of it's like this price. It's into it. This is the price. But if you were I'm purchase from and get from Bangladesh, so the another marketplace, the static, it's held it in Bangladesh also. But look at that, their price is increased. It's where is 5,000 and where's 8? It's a lot different, like 3,000. But if you're going to the main product like VEIKK, there's their main website. It looking like this. It is looking like 41. It's looking $42, and then in Amazon, it's like this. But why? What happened with here? And I see the another marketplace, the increases price like this. Hey, hello, VEIKK. If you are listening to me, why? This is the comparison. If it is the different country and different continent, there is a lot of things like text and a lot of things. That's why the price up and down. But what happened to Tarazan? Static, because they're the same countries and the different prices. Why? I don't know. But there is a one reason. If you were purchasing this today, you can get about in 13, like 1 month. You need to take. You can get it in 1 month, and it's also delivery free. I also ordered from there, and it's need to take like this. I forget that day over there, and there is the shipping. There is a free shipping promoter with the minimum spend like this. but I'm spent more than that. That's why the free shipping I get. But what happened there? I don't know. But there is one more opportunity. If you were anytime you can get and buy from their store static with this price. If you can get this price, you need to wait for 1 month. This is the reason. I don't know what the other reason is, that what happened there. There's a lot of features you can look at here, that the difference of the prices and a lot of the specifications. Download another tab, open here, and then you can download whatever. I'm just purchase. Oh no, I'm just purchase this one, so I can get this one a category, which is driver. For Windows, driver, and iOS, no, I'm using Windows, so I'm getting Windows and just submit, and then you can download here. Download. I also download and install. It is pretty easy, simple to download and installations. And you can load up the dimensions, working area. It stands by 10 into 6 inches, and then the express keys, the 8 keys about, you can see there the key, and one pad, the touchpad. You can easily increase and decrease brush sizes and zoom out and in your artboard. I think that's the one color, and there's the pen, battery free pen, and the resolution like this 5080 LPI, and the interface will be the cable, the supported Windows 10, Windows 7, later Mac or Android, except the Samsung mobile. I seen here that somewhere it's you can find anywhere. So these are the all specification about VEIKK. So if you are purchase, you can buy it, because in this price range it is a very good product. If you're affordable money, so you can buy it higher than that. You can get a good experience than this. But I think with this price, it is best for me.